daylight, continues the N.J. Dawood translation of Al-Quran. In the name of Allah, the compassionate, the merciful, by the light of day and by the dark of night, your Lord has not forsaken you, nor does he abhor you. The life to come holds a richer prize for you than this present life. You should be gratified with what your Lord will give you. Did he not find you an orphan and give you shelter? Did he not find you in error and guide you? Did he not find you poor and enrich you? Therefore, do not wrong the orphan, do not chide away the beggar, but proclaim the goodness of your Lord. And the hadith, we can kind of tie this to the next one. Basically, so you could say that Muhammad was supposed to convey the hadith, so the inspiration is something supposed to convey, but also the sayings of the scripture, he's supposed to, but see, it's God brought this upon them, not his own. And what he did do is not being on a path that God set him on a path is the difference here. Now, there is the hero that finds his own path, but this is not the type of hero that the prophets are.